What is up, guys? Today I get my iPhone, and so I'm just preparing for it to arrive. Just giving myself some juice. Yeah. So it's Raro, by the way. So if you're New Zealand, it's just Raro. So yeah. So I'm currently waiting for my 256 GB iPhone 7 Plus. So here we are, it's arrived, and comes in a beautiful box, and yeah, let's get into it. See what else is in here. When it comes in all these So what we have here is the rose gold 256 GB iPhone 7 Plus, which is the largest and the top of the line model of all the iPhone models for this year. So they've actually got a little strippy thingy on these plastic things now, which is brilliant. And it smells right. You take one, oh, I like that box. So when you open your iPhone box the first time, you're presented with the Design in Apple in California pamphlet, and basically all this includes all the information on the iPhone 7 Plus in this case. Basically some new helpful information, some tray card slot popper metal thing, and also warranty information, which would also cover the fact that this iPhone is not covered under water damage under the warranty information if you read the fine print. We also in the box have some frosted Apple stickers, which are printed or put onto frosted plastic this year, which is very new. Apple seems to be going with the frosted plastic for this year. Oh my gosh. And here we have the iPhone 7. So as you can see, it's a rose gold colour. Very lovely. And it's actually quite nice, to be honest. So yeah, I'm actually quite happy with the colour. Which is quite good, to be frank. So, and does it actually feel... Oh wow, it actually doesn't move. The button does not move. It's the new Force Touch button, which is quite nice. And so yeah. And also what we have in here, also we have the Lightning AirPods, which are built into some weird cardboard. It's quite nice. Look at this. And on the back of them, you have your little adapter, which is quite good. You have your little adapter and your AirPods, which is quite cool. Your Lightning AirPods, because they don't have an earphone jack anymore. So, which is quite nice actually, I think. But so yeah, you've got your so on. I'm just going to try and focus it in a little bit more. Oh, there you go, it's already done it. So you got your Lightning to AirPods.
And on the back of it, you've got your obviously got your headphone jack to the lightning, power cable, or power plug, I should say. The power plug, which is Apple's own. It's the same one that's shipped for years, really. So, yes. And then you got your standard lightning cable, basically. So, yeah. And the final thing to do is to start it up, I suppose. Right. First boot of the iPhone 7 Plus Rose Gold. There you go. Hello, welcome. Can see that is the SIM tray slot, and if you have a look very closely you can actually see the rubber band with the waterproof seal, basically, which stops everything from water from getting in. So that's that. Put my Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, it's me. So what's my initial thoughts on the iPhone 7 Plus? I think it's a great phone. It's really good for a step forward. The home button, for me personally, is really, really weird. I find it incredibly weird, but I think it's something you get used to. It doesn't move, so for me it's a bit different. But yes, I know some of us are a bit like, oh, there's no headphone jack, but I think that's a good thing, because actually the lightning connectors, these things, are actually blimmin' cool. For some reason, I don't know, I like new technology, I like new stuff. It's weird, don't ask me why. And yeah, and I think this is a great step forward. This is something that I think, I know we're used to getting a brand new iPhone every 2 years, but I think this iPhone has a lot of potential. The camera I haven't really tried out yet, but from what I can see, it looks wicked. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos, hit subscribe. And yeah, that has been my review of the iPhone 7 Plus Rose Gold Edition.